Welcome to SoSoValue's Furry News Studio. I'm your host and CIO, SoCaddis. Brings you the latest crypto market updates with max personality. Let's go through the crypto news worth paying attention today, according to SoSoValue. The first is, Wu said that Nasdaq-listed Basel Medical Group announced it is in exclusive negotiations for a Bitcoin acquisition valued at $1 billion USD. The company plans to complete the transaction through equity swaps by collaborating with institutional investors and high net worth individuals in the crypto sector. The deal is expected to be finalized within this quarter, pending regulatory approvals and other related conditions. Next news. Coinbase faced a dual blow this week with a cyber attack and an investigation by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission into whether its user metrics were overstated, causing the stock price to drop by more than 7% at one point.
This is terrible. I just want to go home.
Next news. According to Bloomberg, billionaire investor Michael Novogratz's Galaxy Digital is in talks with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission to tokenize its own stock and other securities, deploying them on its digital asset platform. In March this year, Galaxy met with the SEC's Cryptocurrency Special Working Group to discuss the feasibility of registering company stock on the blockchain. Galaxy stated that after tokenization, the assets can be used for lending and trading in decentralized finance, and there are future plans to extend tokenization to traditional assets such as bonds and ETFs. Next news. A federal judge in the Southern District of New York has rejected the joint motion for summary judgment filed by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and Ripple Labs, further delaying the resolution of their years-long dispute. Previously, the SEC and Ripple reached a settlement agreement, seeking to lift the injunction against Ripple set for August 2024 and reduce the fine from $125 million to $50 million. The judge noted that the parties failed to meet the stringent conditions required to lift the injunction, and such relief should be requested only under extraordinary circumstances. The cross-appeals between the SEC and Ripple are still under review at the Second Circuit Court of Appeals. Ripple's chief legal officer stated that this ruling does not affect the company's prior victories. The case, which began in 2020, centers around whether the XRP token qualifies as a security and is one of the most significant litigations in the cryptocurrency space.
Let's investigate.
Next news. O'Daily Planet Daily reports that the Trump family crypto project World Liberty Financial has responded to the investigation by U.S. Senate Democratic Senator Richard Blumenthal regarding its U.S.-owned stablecoin and its connection to President Trump. The project's lawyer stated that the investigation is politically motivated. World Liberty Financial emphasized that the U.S.-done stablecoin is backed by the U.S. dollar and U.S. Treasury bonds, operates transparently, and complies with regulatory requirements. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and share the news to your friends. See you tomorrow.